Hello, my amazing 4C. I hope you're all okay, and I've missed you so much. And I just can't believe you're going to be in year 5 soon. Now, because we aren't able to have a final get-together before the end of the year, I thought it would be nice to put together a video of all our highlights we've had while in 4C. So I've made a bit of a PowerPoint presentation with lots of lovely pictures of you all. So this is the very first photo I took of you all the way back in September, and I think it's actually my favourite one as well. I just can't believe how much you've all grown since then. On that first week we had together, we did those time capsules, and I'll make sure I give them to Miss Newton, because we wrote down your favourite colour, your eye colour, I think your shoe size, and we also measured your height with that piece of string and attached it to your time capsule as well. So I think it'll be really interesting in September to see what's changed and how much you've grown, because I think all of you have grown so much. Now, one of the first things we did together in the autumn term was our brass lessons. And if I think on lesson 1, we were blowing raspberries and making humming noises with your lips, to 8 weeks on, where you were able to perform in front of your parents 2 or 3 different songs with instruments some of you had never played before. I think that was just amazing, and I think something you should all be really, really proud of yourselves for. We were also lucky enough to have the Freshwater Theatre Company come in and do an earthquakes and volcano workshop with us, because that was our geography topic for the term. And we were able to go to different countries. This is you here jumping on your aeroplanes and visiting all the different countries where earthquakes happen quite frequently. And then looking at how volcanoes are formed over here and the different stages of an eruption. And one of my highlights of the year was definitely making our volcanoes and exploding them. And you all worked amazingly as a team to create your volcanoes. You started off with just cardboard, a milk bottle and newspaper, and you turn them into these amazing volcanoes with lava spewing out. We went out onto the playground, we put our vinegar in, we poured our bicarbonate of soda and we gave them a good shake and watched them spew lava everywhere. It was brilliant, I loved it. And in the spring term, we had our Healthy Body, Healthy Mind week, where we had a workshop with someone come in and teach us some Tai Chi. You were all brilliant at it, as you can see by the photos. And in the class as well, we looked at our zones of regulations and the different emotions we associate with different colours. Oh, look at you, look amazing here. So this is our Roman day, of course, and it was such a busy day. The time absolutely flew past. You started off by visiting Mrs. Wolfe and looking at those Roman artefacts, and then you visited Mr. Brain and looked at a Roman soldier's outfit, and then you came back to me and you designed some beautiful Roman mosaics. And we also had, in that term, book day, and you all look absolutely fabulous up here. So we started the day off by buddying up with 6M and doing some paired reading and sharing your favourite books together. And then in English, you wrote your character description of who you came as, and I really enjoyed trying to work out who was who when reading the character descriptions. And then in the afternoon, you had your mystery reader. I think that was Miss Harden. She came and shared her favourite book with you as well. And then finally, we have our Chinese lanterns. And you guys just did an amazing job. They all look fabulous. So we started off by designing and decorating them, to doing lots of cutting, lots of folding, lots of sticking, and finishing off creating your electric circuit with your light bulb to make sure there's a light in there to make it nice and bright. And you're such a creative bunch. They look absolutely fantastic. So we definitely had a busy but fun time together, and I loved it. Now I know after the summer term, the summer holidays, when you return in September as 5N, I know you will carry on being that special and fabulous class. So keep shining like the stars I know you are, and I look forward to seeing you all in September. Bye, 4C.